10-year-old 200-metre freestyle relay. Our first place, representing Martin Public School and being presented with the Sharon Wood Trophy, is Martin Public School.
Sorry.
In second place, representing Stanmore Public School, representing Stanmore Public School, and third place getters are from Randwick Public School.
Where's Martin Public School?
Obviously in our zone.
Yeah, but I didn't recognise the suburb either. Yeah, but in the next thing it says what region they're in, or whatever, and it's like Stanmore's in Balmain. Or Martin, I didn't recognise.
That's absolutely fantastic. So that means they'll end up at the whole of Sydney.
What's next?
States next.
Is it?